Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories here in Margate, Florida. And today, what did we do for this beautiful Ford Raptor? Well, come this way. Let's take a look. Well, what do we have here? We have the Retrax Pro XR. Now, what is this? Well, it's a rolling cover. The Pro refers to it being an all-metal cover here. Come over here, Johnny, let's get a better look from how nice this looks on this Raptor. Now, as you can see the metal slats here. Now, this is the XR. What is the XR? The XR is new, came out about a year or two ago, and basically it is a T-slot. The T-slot, what do you use the T-slot for? Well, let's take a look on my truck over here. So come on over here. Here's the T-slot of my truck, and what do I have? I got rhino racks on here, which you can do on the other truck as well. So with the rhino racks, you can put like the kayak rack I have over there, you can put a safari basket, you can put all kinds of stuff. Once you get a T-slot, the world is open to all kinds of stuff. So let's come on over here. You can see how nice it looks. But let's look at some of the functions on this. Now, this does have the, let's see, I haven't used this yet. When these remotes work for it. Well, let's just do it manually. Okay, now what is nice about the Retrax Pro? Well, a couple things. One, it's got a great warranty. It's got a lifetime warranty. So they do stand behind their product, and that's real important. You want to make sure anything you buy, the manufacturer stands behind the product. Two, it's got some features that are unique to this cover. For example, this is the only manual cover that will let you stop anywhere along the track. Now, some covers don't do that at all. Some covers only open and close, and you can't stop it anywhere. But this, you can basically move it anywhere along the track and then lock it down. Now, why is that great? Well, let's say you got a tall item, doesn't fit underneath the cover, and you want to keep it from moving around where you're driving. So you take the cover, put it right here, you close the tailgate, now you've sandwiched it in, holds it in place. So that's a really nice feature to have. Another nice thing is, let's go ahead is you do have space underneath the canister. If you look over here, there is space underneath there. Now, Retrax does not have the smallest canister or competitor, so keep that in mind, but it's not too bad either. So you still got room underneath there. It's a great little setup. Another nice thing about this is they have really good brackets. Now, why is that important? Well, these brackets you can actually adjust, so you make sure this is level. Like when I'm putting this on, I actually put a level on here, and I adjust it until it's perfectly level. It's a nice feature. A lot of companies don't have that, so I find that really good. Now, another nice feature is this is one of the better ones for water. Now, listen to what I'm about to say. No cover is waterproof, so keep that in mind. But some are better at water than others. They all refer to as water-resistant covers. Now, this is one of the few covers. If you can look over here, there's a seal here that when this is closed, it keeps the water from going to the canister. Now, why is that better? Well, if there's water sitting on here and you open up the water goes in it, it drains it out. But let's say you're going through a high pressure car wash. It's a really bad storm. And sometimes the water that goes in the canister doesn't drain out fast enough and it overflows into the bed. You don't have that problem with the Retrax. They basically, when it's closed, it's sealed up really, really good. Also, which you can't tell, but I want to see if I can pull it out a little bit for you. I want to see this here. This has got a very good seal here. So again, seals keep the water out. Another benefit. So this one's going to be one of the better covers for water. And of course, I go through the same speech. It's not waterproof. It's not a submarine. I got people all the time that's like, oh, you told me it's waterproof. I never say it's waterproof. So keep that in mind. So this is a great feature. Again, you can lock it anywhere. You got a nice little handle here. You just grab the handle. Very easy to use. Now, again, I'm going to tell you pros and cons. If you notice, you have to reach over and use the handle on this. Now, I'm 6 foot tall. This is no problem whatsoever for me. But, like for example, this is a Raptor. It's a little taller than the average truck. You can see the average height over here. The Raptor is several inches taller. So some people who are vertically challenged might have a hard time opening and closing this. So keep that in mind. I like to tell you all the good stuff, and I will tell you the negative stuff. I don't consider that big a negative, but you know, if your wife is 5 foot or less, this might be a hard cover to open and close. So keep that in mind. Another nice feature is you can open and close this while the cover is closed. So some covers used to lock into the tailgate. This one doesn't. Another nice feature on this I like. All in all, this is a great cover. It does hold 500 pounds evenly distributed. I mean, 500 pounds is pretty much the top of the line weight for a rolling cover, so keep that in mind. And it's built like a tank. It is a super strong setup. I like it a lot. It holds up, like I said, a lot of weight. And of course, with the lifetime warranty, it's great. Now, we give you 1-year labor guarantee. What does that include? Well, they cover the parts. We cover what we did, the installation. Now, we also cover something, let's say this lock with the brake. Now, Retrax, being the great company it is, will send you a new lock. What they don't send you is a tech to put the lock in. So we'll put that lock in free of charge in the first year if you have us install this. So keep that in mind. I know a lot of places don't give you a warranty on the installation. If they do, it's a week or two. We give you a full year because the way we look at, we do a very good job. So the chance of using that labor guarantee is slim, but it's there just in case. Now you say, you know what, Chris? Man, I love the cover you just showed me. I think I got the Raptor and I want the same setup. How do I get it? Well, I'm glad you asked. Well, you can call the store. You can ask for John, who's behind the camera right now. You can go onto the website. Basically go find it and you can have it shipped right from the website because we ship anywhere in the country. If you're in Portland or California, we even ship to Hawaii. At this time, we're not shipping to Canada, so I'm sorry about it. I've been getting a lot of calls from Canada. But we're working on it. We'll see what's involved with that in the future. But right now, continental US, we got you covered. So if you want this cover, we can ship it to you. And the benefit of buying from us, there's no price. Basically, they're all sold at the same price. If you go online, they're all the same price. The benefit of buying from us is you're getting us. You're getting the knowledge of when you're installing this, install correctly. For example, my neighbor in the plaza decided he was going to install this cover by himself, and he installed it incorrectly. You know, now how I know is because if you look over here, see this little black strip and see how perfectly straight she is? Well, if you put it on a little wrong, that strip won't look that way. It'll be a little off. So the benefit of buying from us is we'll tell you exactly everything you need to know. So if you're getting in there and you're having problems, you call us up, we'll tell you, hey, you need to adjust the left side, you need to adjust the right side. We'll tell you everything you need to do. It's nice to have that because, you know, you buy from some guy who's a computer guy and he doesn't know anything about this, doesn't install it, you're having a problem, you call him up and he goes, I don't know. If you call us, we'll walk you through it. So that's really great. So again, buy from us, we can help you with the installation. Of course, you can always come to our store and have it professionally installed by us as well. So again, if you like what you see, hit that like button. We appreciate it. It does help us out with YouTube. And subscribe to the channel. Stay up to date with like these Ford Raptors with the new covers. These are things, we're always doing new stuff. And I gotta admit, I love this new Ford Raptor. And this is the, I believe it's a 22 because he just got it. Man, this is a good looking truck. I got inside, it's like, man, I'm a little jealous. I mean, I love my Ram, but this Raptor's pretty darn sweet. So again, if you need anything, just call us, go to the website, or just come to our store, and we'll be glad to help you. And don't forget, like, subscribe. Again, this is Chris from C&H Auto Accessories doing a review on the Retrax Pro XR on a 22 Ford Raptor. Thank you.